In primetime news this evening, gunmen launch attack on another armored vehicle transporting cash.
Calls for improved legislation to ensure greater public access to beaches island-wide.
And in a TVJ News exclusive, we test the efficiency of the country's immigration system as it moves ahead with plans to go paperless. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We are live, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Javon Keys.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
It's a Wednesday, Janella, so we have the latest fuel prices. Plus, some players in the microcredit industry are accusing the Bank of Jamaica of moving too slow. Those and more in the business day.
Thanks, Andrea. Now, Jermaine Brown is standing by with the latest to come from sports.
Well, thank you, Javon. Well, it seems the JFF president will be on the hunt for a new car as he's lost the one he had in a court case. We'll tell you more about that a bit later on.
Interesting stuff.
And Romaine is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks so much, Janella. Now, we are expecting winds across the area to begin picking up sometime after Good Friday. That's on Saturday and carry into Sunday. We'll have more details in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what has been your experience with immigration and customs at the country's airports?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. The Primetime Package returns right after this break.